My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum.
Good morning, fam, or good afternoon. Happy Thursday. So today I'm in Grand Turk. So I'm just getting off the ship. It's like 1:15, 1:30. I overslept. What else is new? But anyway, so we're... Hey, Norma. Hey, lady. Hey. So right now, we're about to venture to Margaritaville. We have a little party. I think for like another half hour. I missed most of it, but we're gonna slide through, and then after that, we'll roam around a little bit and see what there is to get into.
Like a bellhop, yeah, I love a cry for help.
Alright, so word has it that we got kicked out of Margaritaville because of the loud music, so I have no idea where most of my friends are. I'm just gonna wander around and see if I can find some news. Oh, Billy? I talked to her, yeah. He's chilling today. Yeah. He got the alcohol. That shit funny as hell. Woo! Yeah, I'm mad. I am not dressed for the beach. Hey, nice lady. Hey. Hey, friends. No. Hey, friends.
Hi, nice lady.
I should have brought my damn cigars.
She says you
Do you wear makeup?
Hell no, I'm a grown ass man.
I'm
a
just
chest
checking.
banging, ball hanging, gorilla.
You know what? This what I'm not doing. This one I'm not doing. This one I ain't doing. He's marrying the nice lady.
Ask me again. Ask me again.
This guy right here, he's marrying my nice lady.
And she just asked me, what do I wear makeup?
Cause you jumped in our conversation about makeup.
No, but tell your viewers what I just said.
They saw it already.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
I say it again?
No.
I'm a chest banging, ball hanging, gorilla. I don't wear no damn makeup.
This, if y'all don't recognize him, this big boy from Outkast, y'all. Where Andre 3000 at? Woo! It's hot as hell. Anyway, now we're at Reef Shark, guys. New location. It's hot as shit. I ordered some conch fritters and a Miami Vice so I don't die. Okay? So I don't die. Okay? In the sun. I need to stay alive. Hey, hot dog.
How you doing today?
Sheila, how you? Hey, hot fam. Foxy. Hey, boo. Hey, hot fam. Whoop. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Y'all not here, that's y'all fault.
They know.
Come back next time.
They know.
We'll catch you next time.
Listen, and I just walked into an umbrella, but it's cool. It's cool. Oh my God, it's best friend 1 and best friend 2. Hi, best friend 1. Hi, baby. Hi. You just woke up? Hi, lovey. This is my best friend 2. Hey. But you my best friend 1. You my original best friend. Yeah. Yeah. You look so sleepy. What you looking for? What you see? Something. I don't know. Hey, Hots family. Hey, y'all. Hey, looking cute. Okay. All right. Looking cute. Hey, you know you stay cute. Okay.
I love you. My best friend.
Listen, you stay with the shit with the tutu. You know, swimsuit. She stay with the cutest shit. Hey, girl. Y'all just get some sun. Okay. Yep.
www.slam Brandi in the water.
Don't follow DJ Cole. Let's hashtag that.
You
Don't
want dope
follow.
glasses like these? You want something like this? Huh, Brandi?
Just look at your grandmother's.
Go to Brandi's website.
Just look at your grandmother's closet, and I'm sure you're fine. So. Hey, cuties. Hey, it's video. Say hi to YouTube. Hey. Y'all out here looking cute, like some little Caribbean kings out here. Yes. Trying to be good. Okay.
Let me do you.
Hold on, do me. Let me see. Do me. Ow. Yes. Listen, y'all know I gotta flip. Listen, gotta flip that here. Yes.
How do you want to see Super Bowl Cruise number 5?
Number 5. Y'all having fun?
Yes.
Yes. I'm sad. It's only one more day.
I know.
Huh? But I know it went by fast, but it's a good time.
We're gonna turn up tonight for Wakanda forever.
That's right, y'all. Oh, y'all ready? Y'all coming with your outfits?
Listen, China.
Yes! Listen, yes. So tonight is our Coming to America versus Wakanda party, so it should be lit. I know people going all out with these outfits, so stay tuned. Oh, that's my DJ. Hey, y'all. Listen. How you liking Hots 5? It's everything. Okay, I'm just making sure. I'm just checking. Hey, Ebony. Listen, Ebony like my little spirit animal, okay? I be thinking smart ass shit and then she just say it out loud. Yup. Wipe me down. Wipe me. What? Huh? What? Oh, okay. Feel like it's not real. What up, Buffalo? Hey, boo. What up, Juju on the beat? Juju on that beat. Hey, Juju on that beat. All right, Team 6'9". Team 6'9". Team 6'9" with that W. Ew, hey, Buffalo. Hey.
Hey, look.
This volleyball game is very intense. Free out here trying to get me drunk. Hey, Monica. Yeah. Free pouring me some shit out of Walgreens rubbing alcohol bottle. And I've been hot ever since. I got all shit.
It served its purpose.
Hell yeah, listen. I'm sweaty as hell. Like, I'm just hot. I'm fucking sweaty. Listen, you know, free my joint. That's free my girl. Okay, ready? Okay, what we doing? And then we doing twerking lessons on the beat. Okay. Yup, on the beat. If you fall on YouTube, I don't know what to tell you. And then, yup. Okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Listen, cause Juju, you know Juju is a twerk master. She be doing splits and all type of, you know. Child, listen. Okay, listen. That was a good job, ladies. Good job. Yup. Twerking 101 with Juju on the beat. Okay. Yup. All right, YT fam. I made a new friend. What's your name?
Timothy.
Hi, Timothy. Listen, Timothy tried to sell me some pictures. I had to say Timothy. I do this for a living. I don't pay for pictures. But he's still my boy. Hey, Tim. Hey. Hey, Tim. Hey, I like your glasses. Hey. Sherry, say hi to YouTube. Listen, this is Sherry from Reef Shark. She looked out for, you know, we had to bring our whole family down here because, you know, Margaritaville was on some nonsense. But thank you, Sherry. Hey, bays. Hey. Yeah, y'all having fun? Y'all see me today, bro, right?
We did.
No, okay, just checking.
Why you not in the water today?
Let me tell you what happened. I had on my bikini, but it was like, it's like cool and it's like shaped like this, but it looked weird through my outfit.
Right.
So I opted to take that shit off and
you just said fuck
it. Yeah. Fashion over practicality, so.
That's what happened.
So I can only get my feet wet. I'm hot. I'm popped.
I got darker.
Right? I got a tan. I mean, I'm tan. Okay, I can tell. Hopefully I can keep it. It's probably gonna go away the first day I get home, but you know. Shout out to Reef Shark for making me strong daiquiris.